Let's talk lamps. I want a lamp where I don't have access to an outlet. So my plan is to use a regular corded lamp with a rechargeable light bulb. The easiest way to do this is with a lampshade like this. They just clip on over the light bulb. So you screw in your light bulb, clip on the shade, and done. But I want to use this lampshade. It just matches better. This type of a lampshade needs a harp. No, not like that kind of a harp. This kind of a harp. Harp's attached like this. I'm on it and I need to dismantle this lamp. So let's see how that goes. After some YouTube University, I learned that pretty much all the lamp components are just screwed together, so it's really easy to disassemble. You only need a screwdriver to undo the electrical cord, and then pull it all apart. I want to keep that black plug, and I just put that tape there to protect the lamp's finish. Here are all my disassembled pieces. This section here came from the lamp that we just took apart. This came from another lamp that I took apart a while ago. I just keep spare bits around all the time. And then this is the harp, which I bought at Canadian Tire. So the reason I needed this piece from another lamp is because that's how my harp is going to lock in. And then these gold pieces go on top. So with all my pieces together that I think I need, I can start putting this together. I always assumed that lamps are a lot more complicated. I didn't realize that they're just like all screwed together. Whoever came up with that, 10 out of 10 to you. I just thought that they were like one solid piece and that's it. But no, it all just comes apart in tiny little pieces. You can just like remake your lamps all different ways. I love this. But anyways, it's now time for me to attempt to remember how the pieces all go that I just took apart, and then add in the one piece that I really, really need. So let's see if I can remember. Okay, so I know that this screws into here. Then I think I want to add this piece and then attach them all securely together. So I got that, I think. And then this, I remember how it goes, this pops. As I say, and I totally do it wrong. Oh yeah. To screw these in a bit more. That pops in there, great. It is broken right here, but it doesn't matter. Once I screw this on, it's nice and solid. Okay, so now this screw will screw onto here once I make room for it. Now this attaches on here. Okay. Looks like a lamp again. Well, looks like a socket of a lamp. I can tighten it, but let's try this first. Oh, it's all nice and tight. My clicky thing works, but doesn't work because I don't need that anymore. Okay, and now I add the harp. It's This is all done for you, little harp. There we go. Nice and tight. Oh, take a little screw off the top. And let's add our shade. I did it. So now I just have to take the price tags off because there's price tags all over everything. And I did order my rechargeable light and I need that to come in. Once it comes in, I can bring this down to its cute little home. Pretty easy little project. Oh, this is gonna need some glue gun. This is such a sticky sticker. Ah, look at that, ew. Well, my light bulb came in, and this I ordered off Temu, and it looks like a regular light bulb. You put it into a lamp, and that's how you charge it. It's a rechargeable light bulb. And then you add this little piece on the bottom, screw it on, and then you can click on this little black button at the bottom, and it turns on. It's a pretty bright light. Do you see a problem though? This is like a flashlight. It has like a button you have to press. It's not going to work if it's in my lamp. So I totally ordered the wrong one. This works like if you have it in your lamp and you have a power outage, this light bulb will turn on and stay on for 4 hours, which is great. Another great thing is my sisters totally have a use for it. They're gonna hang it off their little booth when they're at the night market, so it'll give them some light. So at least someone's gonna get a use out of this. And I ordered another one from Amazon this time. Let's check that one out. All right, so here's the one from Amazon. It's a bit heavier, I have to say. And this one comes with a charging cable and it's charged through USB. So there's just a little spot here. You can just stick that in and charge it. Then to operate it in your lamp, which is what I need to do, it does have a remote. So let's see. Let's get this all set up. The bases actually look the same, but it works totally different. I haven't charged this one. It's straight out of the box. Oh. Oh, and then there's timers on it. Oh, this is so perfect. This is exactly what I need. But how about I charge it, and while I'm charging it, I'll tell you a little more about it. When charged by USB, you charge it for 3 to 4 hours, and then it lasts for 5 to 6 hours. Not bad. You have some different colors here. You have cool white, neutral white, I guess that's what it's supposed to be, and then white, and you can adjust how bright you want it, and your timer. The timer part's pretty awesome. I like that part. And if you didn't want to use it in a lamp, you can just, it's the same as the Temu one, you just screw on a little hook. You can use it for camping, or I do have to say the Temu one screws on better. It's just, oh, it's just snaps on, sort of. Okay, I would say this feels a little more precarious than the Temu one, but still holds. And when you're charging it, this right here will glow red when it's charging, and then it turns green when it's done. Kind of like that. Helps you know when you're done. And that's pretty much it. It's a light bulb that you charge with USB. So I think it's time to put it in the lamp and see how it works. All done. This turned out kind of perfect, better than I was expecting, even with my light bulb misordering. And yes, I did place this cup here on purpose to hide my modern looking remote and make it kind of blend in with this oldie worldy vibe, which I'm doing in this whole room makeover. I feel like I learned a lot about lamps, and actually this is 3 different lamps, kind of pieces taken together to make one lamp. I know it's kind of cool. I didn't realize that I think lamps are so cool. So for more cool videos, remember to hit that subscribe button. It does help out our channel so much. And this whole room is getting a makeover, and that reveal is coming up soon. So remember to check back, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment if you like lamps as much as I do, I guess. And I'll see you soon with another project. Bye. Our little intro there, and blah. Oh my goodness, you should see my tripod. It's like tilted like this. It's honestly tilted. Like it's like Pisa right now. A charging cable that I left on the floor over there. I'm just gonna go grab it. This room that I'm redoing. And enjoy my coffee. So good. Okay. Do I have volume? Yeah, we do.